Hi, this is Dave and Riley from Cradle Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace the variable stop tilt lock lever on your Steelcase leap chair. It's going to work both on the version 1 and the version 2 leap chair, but we're going to be showing you on a version 2. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to pry off this upper back force knob. That's just going to be held on with friction, so you're just going to be able to pop it off. Then you're going to need a Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. This is a reverse thread, so you're going to be going in the turning right to release this screw here. You're going to remove this screw all the way. You're going to remove this white cap, the black plastic cone piece, and then this piece should slide right off. So this is the part that we are replacing right here. It's the variable backstop lever. You're also going to need to remove this white plate piece and reuse that when you're replacing the lever. Now take the replacement lever and you're going to put it back onto the chair. Now you're going to need to align this lever properly so that it's engaging the variable stop tilt lock. And so if it's ratcheting in place and locked in there, that's what you're going to need to do. So then you're going to take this white piece that's going to go inside the lever. You can see it's going to hide underneath there, and that's going to take the play out of that. Next, you're going to take this cone piece, put that into place. That's just going to sit here. Then you're going to take the white piece with the little ridges, is going to go outwards. So you're going to line that up so that it doesn't spin. Hold that in place. Well, you take the screw, and again, this is reverse thread, so you're actually going to be turning left to tighten it. I like to start it by hand. Then take your screwdriver and tighten it up all the way by turning left. And so this is going to tighten up. As soon as that's tightened up, it should be good. Make sure everything's working properly. Then you go ahead and pop the cap right back on. And then you're all set.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.